So if you guys missed yesterday's video, I would highly recommend actually that you go ahead and watch that first, because I introduced, well, I mean, if you guys have been with us for a minute, you should know that we've had this just chilling in the back of our garage. This was in there, but time for change, man. Time for change. I explained the whole plan and well, a little bit of the plan in yesterday's video, so go ahead, like I said, watch that. You'll get caught up. I'm sure all your answers will be answered, and you'll kind of realize what our end goal is with our whole setup of this car. So right off the bat, I just went ahead and yanked out the motor from last night. Got really late real quick, and here we are. So today's plan is to go ahead and actually clean everything up as best as we can. We're gonna take the heads off, clean up the block, get all the surface rust. There's a lot of garbage that we have to go ahead and wire wheel off of this thing, and just kind of get it to a point where we can go ahead and put it back in here. So since we're not boosting this right off the bat, I'm gonna try and keep it like a budget LS swap. I'm gonna try and reuse as many components as I can. Maybe we'll do cams and springs. We'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna power wash everything, get all the gunk out of the heads, and we're gonna try and DIY everything because that's just how we roll around here. So plan, get this on the engine stand, start wire wheeling all of the rust off, and yeah, try and get it in a presentable condition. So let's get today started. At least it's really nice out today, so we're trying to make the most of it. So it's been I don't know, a couple hours have passed for sure. We got one head clean, much cleaner than I guess the one that needs to be cleaned. Let me show you. It rained, of course. What's new? So now that the rain has kind of stopped for now, as you guys can see, I mean, that head is super gross. This one is really clean. So I knew this would trigger a lot of people, me doing this, but you know what? Dude, you know, where's your RB swap? You know what I mean? Like, I get it if you guys, like, you know, I feel like people who have swap stuff, damn, I can't get this thing, they really don't care. I mean, some maybe are like super purists, but like most people just don't care. They're like, you swap. I told you guys, we're going back to RB, like, it's not a big deal. So I'm not really worried about all the hate comments. Like, I'm over that, you know what I mean? Like, I'm at the age where I don't really care about that kind of stuff. So comment all you want, it does not bother me. But for real, time to clean these up, man. It's so good, by the way, like coming home and seeing like both of these parked, just at least this one, this has always been here, but you know, it's been covered up, so it's nice.
Alright. Is it rolling?
Oh yes.
Okay. Alright. Heads are cleaned. Sprayed them, hosed them down with some compressed air so they're all dry. We're gonna try and clean up as much as we can. And then try and get the block all painted up because there's a lot of corrosion on it, so we're gonna try and deal with that as best as we can. And yeah, just
try and get it into, I guess, a more suitable state, Ryan. You know what I mean? This is gross, man.
Oh.
Okay.
What was that?
Wow.
I mean, there's not much oil on here really to degrease, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. It's more so a wire wheel deal. Oh God, get out of the danger zone, brother.
Hey there.
Get out of the danger zone.
Trying to get the shot.
Crispy doesn't hit Nakai-san when he's filming.
He's got better lenses than a GoPro.
That's fair. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
What is this?
That's what we call weight reduction, brother.
Oh, nice.
It's a little sketch. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and toss some paint on the block. I actually went ahead and painted that side already. I was letting the GoPro charge up real quick. So it looks really good. I just have, this is actually a flat black. I'm gonna just go ahead, I want it glossy. So we're gonna do just a flat black, and then I'm gonna go ahead and toss some high temperature clear coat on top. As you guys can see, super clean in here now. Very happy about it. But we're also gonna go ahead and probably do the valve seals at this point, just so we don't have any leaky, smoky boys coming out the back of our exhaust. You know what I mean? We don't want that, but it's an easy thing to do. I actually have the kit, so while I have it, I might as well go ahead and use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just toss a little bit of WD-40 in the valves and stuff like that, just so we kind of prevent rust. But yes, that's kind of where we're sitting as far as that goes. I think we're looking pretty good. One thing I'm trying to figure out is what color to paint the valve covers. I was thinking like a wrinkle black, just because the engine bay might be like a super shiny color. Oh, by the way, we got a big box to install today. You'll see that probably tomorrow. But yeah, I'm thinking wrinkle black just to kind of dull out the engine, because it's gonna be like a flat black intake manifold. So yeah, I'm thinking about that. Unless you guys have other ideas, obviously let me know. But the thing is, like, the coil packs are gonna go on top here, so you won't really see them too much is the thing. So I don't know. But for today, guys, that is gonna be it. As you know, I mean, it looks so much better than when we started. So let me know what you guys want to see me dive into next, because for now, until we get other parts or whatever, I'm just trying to grind and do like some side jobs and stuff like that. I've been painting like brake calipers. If you guys need anything, go ahead and just hit me up if you're local. If you guys want to send in some parts for me to paint, I totally can do that. Until we get some more parts for this build, we're just kind of chilling with the engine for now. As far as this, maybe we'll start diving into the wiring, clean up the interior, maybe take the dash out, redo the fuse box tuck, because there's a whole lot to do. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next. I am going to go ahead, we're going to install this part on the Z. Very awesome piece. I cannot wait to get that on the car. Today is Friday, test and tune night at the drag strip. I might go ahead and switch my test and tunes to Tuesday, because it's $10 cheaper, and I don't know, man, my car is kind of shifting like shit a little bit, so I'm not really too stoked on that right now. It is what it is. Whatever, dude, we'll take care of it. That's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow around the same time. Hope you guys have a good day. Take care. Peace.